looking to learn Arabic calligraphy in the Nastaliq and Farsi script, then this video is for you. Hey everybody, this is Muhammad Harun from Canvas Wonders, helping you create something worth wonders today. For those of you that don't know who I am and are new here, I'm an Arabic calligrapher and a self-taught graphic designer. I help people beautify their homes with Arabic calligraphic artworks, and here on YouTube, I help people learn calligraphy with useful tips and tutorials. If that's something that interests you, then make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon not to miss another video. Today's lesson, we will learn how to script the letters Laam, Alif and Hamza correctly. Let's get started. Laam Alif is scripted in 3 strokes. First stroke is an Alif of 2.5 units high. Second stroke, using half the nib, make a curve of half a unit in height. The final stroke is an Alif of 2.5 units. Let's measure up. The height is 3 units. The width is 1.5 units. The space between the Laam and the Alif is half a unit. The letter Hamza is scripted in 1 stroke with the tip of the nib. Create a diagonal S like so. The length is 1 unit and the height is half a unit. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Question of the day. What has kept you motivated throughout this Arabic calligraphy course? Let me know in the comment section below so I can make more videos around this. Like if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and check out the other videos I have on this channel, because I'm sure they'll bring you a lot of value. Thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, may peace be with you.